working on a decorated letter from the Book of Kells. I'm working on reproducing it as exactly as I can. I'm pretending I'm a scribe.
Once you start to do it, you go, oh, okay, I see what this was about. And a lot of it still applies. There are a lot of calligraphers working, doing very contemporary work, and many, many of them are designing type fonts. It's really still a lively art. It was given to me as a gift. You can see it, and they would fill in the lines with these long bars of things.